buildings are energy efficient buildings designed to meet some specific criteria which promotes environmental issues and sustainability issues within the construction industry. Green buildings can be termed as intelligent buildings with the objective of reducing the total carbon footprint of the building and the operations in the building itself. The built environment has tremendous impact on natural resources and immediate surroundings. Green buildings address the issues related to hardscapes, landscape, the exterior of buildings, and general building management as a whole. Green buildings encourage minimal use of fossil fuel. The use of biodegradable and low-impact chemicals for cleaning of buildings is most encouraged as a sustainable practice for green building. Also, diversion of landscape waste from the waste stream by composting or mulching or by using to combat erosion is a viable green practice for operations and maintenance in green buildings. Water efficiency is an important aspect of green buildings and green practices. Green buildings put in place systems and practices to ensure that water is used judiciously and efficiently, and that the water resources are preserved for this generation and future generations. There are also issues of indoor environmental quality. We spend over 75% of our time indoors, and the quality of the indoor environment therefore has a significant influence on the well-being, productivity, and quality of life of the people within the building. There are numerous advantages to the owners of the building and the users of the building. As investors, you would want your building to be occupied by the top and premium type of clients and users. Green and efficient building puts the property in the highest echelon of the market. The building is more efficient, the building costs less to run and maintain, the building provides the right atmosphere and the right ambience for the people within the building, creating more opportunities for increased productivity, better workplace satisfaction at the end of the day. So it puts the property in a position of advantage in the market over all other properties. To the users, green buildings provide an opportunity for efficient utilization of the building on one hand, and then a lot of cost savings on the part of the user and of the clients within the building. Energy costs are reduced, internal environment are better, the internal conditions in terms of internal air quality, internal environmental qualities are much better than the average building that you find around. So, to the end user, to the client, is receiving better value for money, while in the entire scope of things, the building is being operated in a sustainable manner that creates, little carbon footprints, little strain on the environment and the natural resources, creating the opportunity for future generations to be able to also carry out their activities. In comparing a conventional building and a green building, you would take a look at the entire life cycle of the building. Because of the technology involved, because of the principle and practices involved, there seems to be an initial high cost of investment when it comes to green building. But across the life cycle of the building, you would find out that the overall life cycle cost is lower as compared to a conventional building. There's lower energy usage, there's lower usage of resources such as water, there's lower environmental impact. At the end of the day, the environment, the overall cost is much lower than the cost of the conventional building. So it makes economic sense, it makes environmental sense. In the global market space, we find out that there's an increased adoption of greener business practices by real estate professionals. You find out that major corporate clients are seeking greener facilities in a bid to attract and to retain workers, and also to differentiate their products, improve their image to consumers, and satisfy stakeholders. Therefore, green buildings are the buildings of the future, and now is the time to start getting involved in the green building practices into the future. I am involved with the operations and maintenance that take place along the life cycle of a building, and the sustainability issues that are related with this activity. These and other issues that relate to sustainability and green buildings are part of what we provide in the bouquet of our services. If you would like to be part of our seminars, symposiums, trainings, or you'd like me to consult with you, or you'd love to know more about green buildings, then contact me on the address showing on your screen. My name is Shina Oliyide, Nigeria foremost authority in green building.